Hey, good afternoon people, hope you guys are keeping well. What we have here is a Panasonic TX-P50UT50B. Okay, it's a plasma TV. Basically it's got an 8 red blinking light at the front, which is here. Okay, and the 8 blinking lights on the Panasonic plasma TV 50-inch. These two are bad. Okay, and the resistor is blowing, and also this controller IC, which is the IC152. So it's IC152, the R051 resistor, that one, which is a 5.6 ohm resistor, and I believe it's a 1206 package, and those are the transistors basically, the DG302 and RF 2001 or 2001 I should say. Those are the components basically that needs replacing as a kit, due to the what it's doing is it's shutting down the power supply. So you turn it on and then try to switch it on, switches off, and keep on blinking 8 LED red flashes on the front of the screen. So that's one of the root cause of why it's doing what it's doing. So I'll be removing, I've already replaced this. I believe that this is okay, so I'm going to focus on the resistor and this IC here. Okay, so as you can see there, okay, the resistor has pooped in the middle. You can see it's blowing. So let's remove this resistor. Beautiful thing about Panasonic is the fact that there is a troubleshooting guide, and based on the number of blinking on the front side here, the red LED, you can it identifies which PCB that's faulty basically. So this is an SS board. There's various other board, your main power supply, your main DC board, and so on and so forth. So based on the blinking, as I repeat, that it will sort of point you to the right direction of as to which board have got a problem. Okay, so on mine it was an 8 red blinking lights, and it will pause for about a few seconds, and then sort of again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it'll have it'll pause. You know, when I say pause, as if no light for about a couple of seconds, and then it repeats itself. Okay, so what was the problem? Right. Okay, the problem was here. This transistor is a DG302 that failed. There's a resistor there. You can just about see. Let me zoom in. Let's see if you can, if the camera would focus. Right there. Okay, and that R051, that's a 5.6 ohm resistor. It's a 1206 package basically. That was replaced because that was blowing, and this transistor was blowing as well, which is again the part number DG302. Okay, normally when they fail, this transistor, this one, the RF 2001, that fails. Also this, the resistor, and this controller IC, which is the IC152, that one there. You can just about see the marking. It's PD8694. That's the marking on it basically. So this gets sold as a kit in America. I could not find anything in the UK, but you can buy this transistor and the resistor in the UK, but this controller IC, it needs to be shipped from China or outside the country. Now what I've done is I've actually replaced this, replaced that. I've been running some diode mode tests on this IC, and luckily that there wasn't any short to ground on some of the rails. That so when you look at the 2 pins in the middle towards this side there, they were giving me a good measurements, and them three, the two on the left hand side, up in this one and the one on the top on the left hand side, they're sort of NC. They're not connected basically to anything, from my understanding. So you're focusing on these 6 pins, and a couple of them are ground, and a couple of 4, I believe 4 of them are like going into the various part of the board, basically. So that's where we're at. The TV is working, so no more blinking lights, and I will try. I can't lift the TV because I'll bloody crack the thingy, but what I can do is I'll bring it towards this way a little bit so you can get an idea. I'll power the unit up, and it clicks and clicks off. That's normal. So I'm going to power it on, and you should see some sort of a... There we go, you can just about see the image. Yeah, happy? So that's how I've actually resolved the issue. Focus on the SS board, that's the problem when you have an 8 red blinking light. Anyway, that's all. Sadly, I could not sort of show you the troubleshooting process basically, but this is the actual fix for a TV as such basically. Take care, all the best, stay well, stay safe, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye for now.